You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Alright, let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, even though there are indeed different pronunciations in English, as quite often, as usual, let's say, British and American English pronunciations are different. So let's hear them both. British English pronunciation, UK, testimony, testimony, a stress on the first syllable. Now the Americans, as usual, pronounce it differently. In the US, testimony. So you got a mo sound here with a more stress on that mo syllable. Testimony, American English, or testimony, British English. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. I hope you did. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.